In 2010, Congress enacted the Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act to address several of the key challenges around the cost and availability of health insurance. One of the significant requirements of this legislation is the creation of health insurance exchanges to broker interactions between private insurers, state insurance cooperatives, national health plans, small businesses, and citizens. This requirement comes with its own challenges. By 2014, states must have a complete health insurance exchange solution in place. How will states navigate the complexities of creating an exchange with little time and no precedent? Oracle is uniquely positioned to help states meet this challenge and is the only solution provider capable of delivering all of the hardware and software required for a complete health insurance exchange. A state can select, configure, and deploy an exchange built on Oracle, knowing that a single vendor will be there to support them every step of the way. As an example of how this would work, let's take a closer look at how a citizen would shop for insurance on a health insurance exchange built on Oracle. This is Kathleen, a single mother of two. After a recent round of layoffs, she has only been able to find part-time work. This has left her family uninsured. Living with reduced income is hard enough. Not having health insurance for her family can be devastating. Because her state has a health insurance exchange, Kathleen has options. She visits her state's portal and enters some data about her personal circumstances while keeping her identity anonymous. Kathleen's data is passed to a rules engine and evaluated against business rules based directly on the healthcare legislation. The rules engine determines the benefits for which Kathleen may be eligible. In this case, those benefits include several assistance programs. She selects health insurance, which is her primary need, and provides specific information about her family. Using middleware, the exchange verifies Kathleen's information with external providers to determine if her identity is authentic and then selects appropriate policies from the health plan catalog. The information is passed to the rules engine to determine her family's eligibility and subsidy status. When the process is complete, the portal presents Kathleen with a set of health plans to choose from and the subsidy amount she will receive. The portal then works hand in hand with the e-commerce server to enable Kathleen to browse the health plan catalog, ask questions, select additional plan preferences, and determine the best choice for her family. After her health plan is selected, the process collects her enrollment packet and prompts her to make an initial payment. These details are routed to the financial server, where an invoice is created and a future payment schedule is generated. The health insurance exchange shares the required information with the selected insurance provider. The provider processes the information and relays the policy number back to the exchange and Kathleen. From this point forward, case management will track these details and all other state benefits and services. Kathleen and her family are now insured. For citizens like Kathleen, this solution makes a tough situation manageable. The same is true for the states in which they live. With very little time to select and deploy an exchange, states have a strategic partner that can help them make a safe investment delivered in a cost-effective manner. Oracle's health insurance exchange solution is complete, flexible, fast to deploy, and available today.
The Affordable Care Act. Straight from hell or a gift from above? You decide.
Congress passed it, the Supreme Court upheld it, now what? October 1st, 2013, apply for your healthcare reform plan. January 1st of 2014, your healthcare reform insurance plan begins. What else should I know about healthcare reform? 1. The mandate. No longer do you have the option of not getting health insurance. For most Americans, you must buy health insurance or pay a penalty as high as $2,085 per year. 2. No denials. No longer will health insurance carriers be able to deny people health insurance coverage based on pre-existing conditions. Will Uncle Sam pay for my health insurance? Maybe. That depends on how much money you make. Individuals that earn under $43,000 a year and families of 4 that earn under $88,000 a year may qualify for a federal subsidy to help reduce the monthly cost of health insurance. 89% of Americans are expected to qualify for at least some subsidies. What do I do now? If you already have health insurance, you can sit pretty for a little while. If not, don't wait for healthcare reform, because it won't kick in until January 1st, 2014. Get some health insurance now, even if it's just a cheap major medical plan that offers catastrophic coverage. For more information, visit kaiserquotes.com. Health insurance for the expected and the unexpected.